Hi, this is Roman Gorelik and welcome to my design channel. Today I will show you how to create a super customizable adaptive professional button. We can change the button state, change the icons, change the text, turn icons and text on and off, and so on. This is a highly customizable button that adapts to content. Let's get started on this button. First, we write the text. It doesn't matter what we write. I will write button. Right click to bring up to context menu and select Add After Layout, or simply press Shift+A. We now have an outline, and we need to fill this button with a pleasant blue color and change the text color to white, rounding it to 10 pixels. Our button is ready. Now we need to adjust the padding. Our brain works in such a way that for easy perception of rectangular objects, like this text. For example, our vision needs more space on the sides of this rectangle. So we add 15 pixels to sides and 8 on the top and bottom, making it easier for our brain to read this text. Next, we need to prepare the icons. I used the Iconify plugin and download the necessary icons. Here they are. We need to create components from these icons. The correct way to create components in design system. No one ever creates a component from the icon itself. First, create a frame, put the icon in it, and create a component. Make a 15 by 15 pixels frame and put our icon in it. Turn off the fill, hold down Alt and copy our frame. Delete the contents and put our heart in it. We need to align these elements in the middle of this frame and always make sure that our icons are aligned by mass. Meaning find the line by which you will align these elements. The button edge, center, top edge, always align so they occupy roughly the same area in the frame. Then the icons won't jump because they are often different size. If we make icons from a component, they can just mess up our design system and we don't need that. Now we select each frame, create component 1, create component 2, select them, and we need to create a hierarchical system of our components. Press Command or Ctrl R. In this window, write icons and put slash. This way we create a folder icons and our components will be in it. This directory will be displayed in the component selection panel later. Apply changes and close the window. Now select each element, double click on the name, write basket and like. Move our icon with Alt hold down into the button, select our button, create a component, rename it button/regular. Just a regular button. The button component is ready. Now it needs to be set up. First we select the text, and on the right panel there are icons with arrows to adjust the parameters. Here we can change the variable name. Let's just leave text or content. Next, in layers we make the element display. True will be displayed, false will not. Write show text. Select the icon, change the name to icons. Here we will choose icons from the folder we created before. In the layer, create a new setting, show icons. Make a duplicate on this component and now we have a customizable button. Now let's make it even more adaptive and ready to development. Select the parent component and in the properties field, click plus and create variant. Change the variable name to state and name to variant active. Then click plus under the button and create a second variant, name it hover, create another one and name it height. Change the color of the second variant to a darker one, that right to gray. The button is ready. Duplicate the button and change the parameters. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for updates. Bye!